In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Mobile Passport Control app on Android. First, let's begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the marketplace where you can find and download apps. You will see an icon that resembles a shopping bag with the Play Store logo. Once you tap on this icon, you will be taken to the main interface of the store. You can browse through various categories of apps, but for now, our focus is on searching for one specific app. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything that follows. Next, we will search for the Mobile Passport Control app. At the top of the screen, you will notice a search bar. Tap on it and type in Mobile Passport Control. As you type, suggestions may appear below. This helps you quickly find what you are looking for. After entering the name, press the search icon or hit enter on your keyboard. This action is important because it narrows down the options to show only relevant results, making it easier for you. Once the search results load, look for the app titled Mobile Passport Control by U.S. Customs and Border Protection. The app should stand out with its official logo. Tap on this app to view more details. Here you will see information about the app, including user ratings and a description of its features. This step is vital as it ensures you are downloading the correct app from a trusted source. Now it's time to tap the Install button. This button is typically located near the top of the screen. By tapping Install, you are giving your device permission to download the app. You may see a pop-up asking for permission to proceed. This is a normal security measure to protect your device. Once you confirm, the download will begin. While you wait for the app to download and install, you can see a progress bar indicating the download status. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. It is essential to be patient here. The app will automatically install once the download is complete. You will see a notification or a visual cue confirming that the installation was successful. After the installation, tap Open to launch the app. This button will appear immediately after the installation finishes. By tapping Open, you will go directly into the app without having to search for it again. This seamless transition is designed for your convenience and makes it easy to start using the app right away. Now, you need to create your traveler profile. Follow the on-screen prompts to input the required information. You will also need to scan your passport. This feature enhances your travel experience by allowing you to use the app at supported U.S. ports of entry if you are eligible. Creating this profile is important as it ensures that your information is stored securely for future use. Once your profile is complete and your passport is scanned, you are ready to use the Mobile Passport Control app. This app streamlines your entry process at U.S. airports. It helps reduce wait times by allowing you to submit your information electronically. This little step saves you a lot of time later and makes traveling much more efficient. By following these steps, you have successfully downloaded and set up the Mobile Passport Control app on your Android device. You are now one step closer to a smoother travel experience. Thank you for watching and safe travels.